Okay, so we're walking into the elephant area. And man, they got elephants. We'll try to go to the front here. Wow, it's their room. They got a giant pen. Goodness. I think there was a new baby elephant somewhere around here. Girl. I know somebody like that. Ah, you do too? I know it. Okay, finally got up close to the little guys. They're just hanging out. They look so happy. Alright. Guess you could take a tour here. Now you can come meet the elephant. Wow. That's a big dude. Alright, this guy's playing around with a rope. Oh, as soon as I film, he wants to turn it off. What's going on, little buddy? There's a... Oh, he's got the rope. Just noticed he got tiny tusks on him. Little tiny... Oh, mad. Real mad, buddy. What you doing? I know he was hungry. It looked like he was trying to get some hay or something. Oh wow, look at that. It's like a vacuum cleaner. Picks things up with his trunk like a hand. Look at that. Huh. Interesting. Alright, now we're going to go check out the reptiles and amphibians. This is actually one of my favorite rooms. I think I like one a little better, but go ahead. Let's go, guys. Oh, thank you. I think we missed the keeper. Alright. Guess a lot more people showed up to the zoo after we got here. We must be popular. Alright. This is the African bush viper. He's not doing anything. He's waiting to bite me. Eyelash viper. Let's see. I guess he's got little eyelashes. Oh man. Kind of hidden back there. Man, look at that. These other suckers will take you out, man. Oh, wow. Look at that. Speckled rattlesnake. This one here, I promise, was moving. There he goes. Out there is a coral cobra. Hey, it's kind of moving a bit. Right there. Oh yeah, it's color too. They're both alligator lizards. There he goes. There's a gecko of sorts. I'm saving your money on car insurance. I don't know if I want to go to this guy. He looks a lot different than the other guy on TV. Oh, you go ahead, man. I'm at it right here. You do your thing, little girl. That is crazy. This is an African dwarf crocodile. Something tells me it's not as scary as the other crocodiles. Look at that. That's a caiman lizard. Swimming around. Wow.
Is that a big lizard? Is that like the lizard on the fence?
Yeah, that's huge. There he goes.
Pause. Pause, oh, you got
It's a Demerose boa. There's a green anaconda. Underwater. There's the water. Oh, we're gonna get a breath of air. Wow. I see you. He sees me seeing him. Oh man, buddy, what are you doing? Oh, that's a big snake. He goes way back there. Oh my goodness. I think he's about to get out of there. Hello, monkey. All right. What do you want to tell me? What do you want? I don't have your money. Okay. It's Chris. He's got it. What do we got here? Oh, look at this. There we go.
You're so loud.
Yeah. What are you doing? Yeah, it's not like cats. Like they're looking for their babies or something. Oh, they're hungry. Oh, there's a guy. And here's a star tortoise. His little bitties in his little box. He's an endangered turtle. I didn't know that. Well, they made this area bigger. You've never been able to walk through here. Unless you have like a happy hour thing going on or something. Oh my goodness gracious. That's some fish. That is a big fish. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of big fish.
It's dead.
Alright.
It's not really.
Who's crying? This is a rip. It's the otters. Those are the otters. Oh, this is
Like
a ripsaw catfish. And then that one over there is a red-tailed catfish. In the
Oh
back.
my goodness. There is a big giant catfish. Oh man, you're good, dude. I'm listening to you.
Leave it.
Little rip-
Back there.
These are big bags.
He's hiding. What are these?
A red-tailed catfish? That's huge. Oh my goodness. It's like monsters. Is she crazy? Is she crazy? Maybe. Oh my goodness, he's sliding down. Uh-oh. Oh wow. He don't even try. Goodness gracious. Wow.
She's feeding him.
Who is he?
Is he?
Yeah. What's his name? He's still alive.
Ah, he's gonna get some food. Big.
I love.
Trying to get them to go somewhere. What's you feeding them? That's a good boy.
Hey, look at this.
It's so big. And it's going to. Lima. Just wow.
Oh, wow.
An alligator.
Mmm.
Some kind of reptile.
There's some kind of
It's a
tuna.
monitor lizard.
Feed them sardine heads or something. Wow.
Water lizards are very strong. One of their favorite meals is
That's a big guy.
eggs.
Little jellyfish. Different kind of jellyfish. I don't even think jellyfish know they exist. They don't have a brain or
They
anything.
don't have a brain. It's weird.
I don't get it.
But they can't die. They just reproduce over and over again. It's so weird.
Man,
Wait, it's
that's so crazy.
Yeah.
That's bizarre.
So it's like a plant.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
even that they have some sort of something.
Yeah, they got some kind
This has
of
nothing.
something. Yeah, this is just exists and doesn't
Yeah.
know it.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's just there.
All right, there's Dory. Found Dory. Is that Nemo? It sure is Nemo. Some of these fish look like the same ones you can buy at Seafood City and eat. I don't know if that's a good thing. Maybe they should be selling those. Maybe these are just tasty fish. I don't know. Tasty animals. Here's a little park area back here in the zoo. Going to chill out. Now this area, that building, used to be where they did like educational stuff. They take snakes or lizards or whatever.
That was sleeping.
Oh, there's a little meerkat. There you go.
Like a Saturn too.
Hiding.
They're so cute. They look like one. So you're the reason why that man's sad.
They're enjoying the sun.
Oh, I found it.
Check out the other one.
No, it's pretty good.
What are you looking at, little buddy? What you looking at?
So now you're playing.
Oh, this guy's just relaxing over here. He's just relaxing. Oh, he got something to say.
Oh, sorry.
He got something to say.
It's so cute.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at, little buddy? Oh,
That's literally just walnut.
it is just, yeah. That looks like a combination. Yeah, it does look like walnut, actually.
I miss one.
All right, like all good things, we've got to exit through the gift shop. All right, let's take a look. It's a giraffe. Oh, wow. That's neat. A mosaic giraffe, $65, of course. Tons of stuffed animals. Monkeys you can hang around your neck. My daughter wanting something. You're gonna call your mom on that one. I thought it said Yeti kit. It's a vet kit. Green Guardians. So that's a zoo related things. A bug collection set. Oh look, you know what? When I was little, I used to catch sharks about this size, Chris. When I'd go fishing. When I was like little, I mean I'm like 8 years old, maybe the oldest. It was crazy because we go out in the bay and we catch catfish, and then occasionally, actually one time I caught nothing but sharks. Oh, the capybara. Yeah, we must have missed that part. My friend ate one of those one time. He said that at the exhibit. Everybody looked at him crazy. But he lived in Brazil for a while. I guess that's the panda. The red panda, there's pumpkin spice. There's the red panda toys. Ooh. I know they're not ashtrays, but they look like ashtrays. What is this? Ashtray. Ooh. Look, Chris, I got a beer drinking glass. Look at that. That's an actual, it's shaped like a beer can. It's got Texas on it. That's cool. Ooh, what is that? That's a glass made
Something.
sloth or something?
Like that.
Wow. I feel like we missed a small section here.
Did the orphans make this? Wait, what?
Wait. Orphans for ornaments? Ornaments for orphans.
I think it's an orphan.
Oh.
I thought it said orphans for ornaments.
Yeah.
Like, what? Trade your ornaments in and get a free child. Sure, I'll take an orphan. How many ornaments? Just one. They're neat. Ooh, the sea turtles. We saw those in Galapagos. Ooh, the sharks got little teeth. And they are bringing the dinosaurs. It's like animatronic dinosaurs that come around every couple years. And, of course, the snow globes. Ooh, there's an elephant one. And bottle cap animals. And wire. Neat. Alright guys, well, that's going to do it for the zoo today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. I'm going to edit this video and put it out for you. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. You can send money if you like to pay for these trips. So, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks a lot.